Hey, my lovely builders. Welcome back to Quiz Slice. It's time to build your VIP fantasy house. Smash like if you love luxury, subscribe for more fantasy builds, and drop your choices in the comments as we go. All right, VIPs, keys in hand, let's start building. Pick the most comfortable bed for you. These are the most luxurious VIP ones. This is the big one. Your dream starts right here. Choose your house. Choose your living room, where memories are made, guests are impressed, and vibes go crazy. Keys in hand, which Jeep are you cruising in style or flexing hard? Would you rather watch everything burn down in seconds, or comment if you're claiming your VIP house energy right now? Playtime just went to the next level. Choose your game house. This is pure luxury. Choose your private pool. Why leave home when the fun lives in your backyard? Choose your home water park. Not just a bed, this is a VIP lifestyle. Choose your creative bed. One mansion has to go. You are the one who need to make the hardest choice yet. Let's comment your decision below. Cute, but does it survive the VIP test? Choose your animal house. Which headphones are blasting out your vibe? Chill spot unlocked. Choose your gazebo. Choose your trampoline and bounce your stress away. Choose your tasks and drop your it below. Whether you comment your house vibe, Comment your name or comment your favorite subject. Choose your doorknob, cause even the smallest details matter in a VIP home. Which tennis court are you picking to play? The most luxurious roller coasters are here. Pick one for yourself. Your main character vibe depends on one of these boats. Choose your staircase. Every step will feel cinematic. Choose your phone so it will match with your VIP looks. Game nights just got serious. Choose your PlayStation lights on. Headset ready. Let's go and choose your gaming room. Coffee maker. Pick your one. Morning fuel equals rich vibes, am I right? Luxury camping, but make it VIP with these tents. Choose your lounge boat. Choose the gaming chair you like the most. Small choice, big personality, choose your mug. Tie the whole room together with these rugs. Sweet VIPS rewards only. Choose your dessert. And that's your VIP fantasy house complete, absolutely unreal. Comment which part of your house you love the most, and tell us whose build wins if you're watching with friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for the next dream build, because luxury never sleeps. See you in the next round, VIPs.